For our blood spatters unit, we are going to be looking at the angle of impact. Now you can see with these blood spatters that we have that they may or may not have been hit at an angle. So what we're going to do is, for angle of impact, you can use this box to investigate. You see numbers on the side of the box. These are going to represent different angles of impact, where you've got this guy's a 90-degree angle here, and they're going to hit at a different angle each time. So you can put the peg in number 3, and you would take this clipboard and place it inside the box like this so that it's at an angle. Then you would drop the blood spatter from up here, and it would drop and hit the board here. It's going to hit it at an angle. To get the angle of impact, we are going to be analyzing the length of it, the blood spatter, and the width of the blood spatter. Now, you've got to keep in mind with this that the board is representing, this clipboard is the ground surface. So the angle of impact is actually this angle right here. That's being represented by this angle down here from the clipboard up. So those angles should be the same. Another way to do this, which is how you're going to analyze it, so you could do this box here. We were just looking at that angle of impact there. Or you could use, and that's what the angle looked like. You start to get a little tail to that. You could drop blood where it's 90 degrees like this. Angle of impact 90 degrees. If you use a protractor, if this is 90 degrees here, and my clipboard is right here, what we're measuring really is this angle. Because my blood spatter right here can only be used by coming down by gravity, I'm really moving the ground up so that this is 0. So in order to analyze the angle of impact here, this would really be 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees from this. So I've got to change the numbers on the protractor, and you will see that the protractors that I have already have the numbers changed to represent that. So make sure you're using the numbers that I have here to represent the angle of impact. And what you'll do is you'll place your clipboard so that it's directly at the center here, going out at a specific angle. When you measure a blood spatter, make sure that you are using a device that helps you to be precise on the diameter of the blood spatter. Here, when you're putting the clipboard up, make sure that you place it here at the base. This one's a little bit off, it should be there, and it should be going at the exact angle all the way up. So this one is not very precise. Make sure that you are before you analyze your blood spatter. You can see that this blood spatter gets elongated here. Some of them will even start to form a tail. So that's how you're going to analyze angle of impact. I hope you enjoy the experience.